standing favorite number 2 at Gossip. And the rough early lead is taken by Gray Magic from the outside by Drail, Snake and Eagle Shadow. And moving up in between horses is Hot Gossip, Subterranean, and Red. As they lead the straight, it's Gray Magic moving up on the outside, Subterranean running in second, and Red in third on the outside. Hot Gossip, the favorite, a very close sport, and bringing up the rear is a Snake and Eagle Shadow. Into the backstretch, it is still Gray Magic in the lead, followed by Red in second on the outside, Subterranean by the rail in third, Hot Gossip running in fourth on the outside, and Snake and Eagle Shadow. And entering the mid backstretch, it is still Gray Magic by the rail, Red on the outside, Subterranean by the rail, Hot Gossip on the outside, and Snake and Eagle Shadow is still trailing the group. Nearing the far turn, still Gray Magic in the lead, Red on the outside, and here comes Subterranean moving up on the inside. On the outside is Hot Gossip. Rounding the far turn, Gray Magic by the rail, Red on the outside, Subterranean, and Hot Gossip remains in fourth on the outside. The last bend for home, it is still Gray Magic by the rail, Red on the outside, and Subterranean running in third, Hot Gossip on the outside in fourth. And into the home stretch, it is still Gray Magic in the lead, followed by Red, and Subterranean, Hot Gossip moving up on the farther outside, but it's still Gray Magic in the lead, followed by Red, and Subterranean, Hot Gossip on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Gray Magic, and at the payoff line is still Gray Magic, and moving up on the outside is Red, and finally Gray Magic, Red, Hot Gossip, Subterranean, and Snake and Eagle Shadow.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only the second favorite in this race, entry number 4, Gray Magic.